Hi everyone. Well, thanks for the opportunity, TokenMatch, to present to this great audience. Let me tell you a few words about Dylyver, what it's all about the activities and solutions that the company is making, about the team. I'll try to quickly rush through our solutions. Then I'll show you the tokenomics, our go-to-market strategy, and the business model of our corporation enterprise. So what is Dylyver? Dylyver is a technology corporation that is aiming to create innovative solutions in terms of ride-sharing and on-demand package delivery using the modern technologies of mobile and blockchain. The company is based in Hungary. Our IT support and headquarters is based there, but the company itself is registered in New Zealand for several reasons. The company was incorporated in March 18, 2016, so it's not a new company. We've been working on our solutions for quite a while, and now is just perfect time for us to take this company to the next level and connect to the modern technologies of blockchain and smart contracts. We have two applications, which are, one of them is ride sharing, and I'll tell you more about it. They're almost complete. The ride sharing application is going through the testing, alpha testing now, and the on-demand package delivery is currently under development. We have 14 people, 8 of them is a core team, and we have outsourced partners as well, and we have 6 partners globally that are helping us build this application and drive payments and scale our operations. So our mission is to completely change the obsolete industries of taxi or ride sharing and on-demand package delivery. So it's more on on-demand package delivery because ride sharing, you already know it, you're already using it. It's very popular here in London as well. And we want to connect it to the newest technologies like blockchain. So what are the problems we're trying to achieve? And by the way, so I just put the presentations in front of you, so if I'm rushing too quickly or I'm too slow, you can go through the presentations on your own. So some of the problems that we're trying to solve is, first, there are problems on delayed payments to drivers and couriers currently. So Uber and Lyft or Yandex Taxi in Russia or Get, they're fighting this biggest problem to get their funds routed from the person who takes the ride or who sends the package to the driver, courier. It takes sometimes a day, sometimes it takes weeks, and most of the time it's a month. So this is a huge problem for ride-sharing organizations. There's lack of visibility on the payments, and there are high transaction costs because of the involvement of payment processing companies. It's an obsolete delivery system, so packages are lost day to day. The deliveries are not done on time. People have to wait 3 to 5 hours just to wait for their packages to arrive. And the same, delayed payments to couriers. And some others are service and unavailability in rural areas. So the service is only available in large cities currently, and we want to make it possible to everybody to have a chance to use our solutions. And the same, like lack of ownership and commitment to the company. So if you're a driver or if you're a courier, you just get paid. You don't feel like you're connected or like committed to the company because there's no incentives. If we introduce technology, or if we introduce a mean how a courier could actually be part of the company, if they have the tokens of the company, they already feel like they are part of something big and they are moving this world together with us. So vision of the company is the transportation solution, a unique transportation solution, plus the package delivery system. And together with the decentralized payment system, we want to make transactions fast, convenient, secure. We want to make our drivers and couriers happy, and so the funds will be immediately routed from users of the platform to people who are doing the job, so drivers and couriers. And also we are planning to do an insurance mechanism using the blockchain and the smart contracts, where the parcels will be insured against theft and damage. So the market opportunity and the market potential is huge, because in all these two markets, they're old, they're steady, and they're constantly growing. That's why we have chosen these two markets. And the numbers speak for themselves. It's a projection for 2030. So the market of package delivery system is 450 billion, and for only ride sharing, it's not even taxi. So we're not talking about taxi market. So it's 285 billion. So this is our core team. We're all located in Budapest, Hungary. We come from various experience and various backgrounds. Our advisory board is located in 4 parts of the world: UK, US, Singapore, and Japan. So let me just quickly go through the ride-sharing application, and then I'll tell you about the on-demand package delivery solution that we're building. So it's like, you know Uber, you know Lyft, you know companies who operate here in this market. So we're building the same solution, just we're aiming even higher, and we want to integrate, as I said, we want to integrate blockchain into it. So how are we going to do it? We have an app that allows a customer to order a taxi only in a few minutes, in a few seconds. A person can order a vehicle in the future or instantly. They can put their relatives or friends as a target point where they want to travel. They can pay for their solution with, because we want to create a hybrid system at the moment, and then ramp up and just go to the crypto payment methods only. So we will make a solution where customers can pay with cash, cards, and with DYCOIN tokens. This is our payment unit. So we're already working with a payout and payment processor. So payment processor is Stripe. Payout processor is a Canadian company called Hyperwallet. And we're already working with them to drive this payments. So the on-demand package delivery, this is a more unique and more disruptive solution, I would say, because there's not so many of them on the market yet, and we want to drive this. So how it works is basically you want to send a package, and you put an address, you take a picture of the item, and you put all the details into the application and send it. Then if a person is traveling the same direction, they can pick up the package and take it to the recipient. In this moment, the recipient and you can track both the location, the exact location of the parcel, can talk to the courier. You can split costs between the parties. All the packages are insured. So currently we are dealing and making it the way that the funds are locked on the courier's card. So for example, if he's shipping a mobile phone and he steals it, then those funds will be removed from his card, or if he finalizes the delivery, then the funds will be returned back to the courier. And this is how we started now, but with blockchain there are so many more opportunities. We can even lock the tokens or with the application, with smart contracts, and release those tokens once the ride has been finalized. So the progress to date, as I told, we have two applications. One is Drive app. As you can see, the product development stage has been passed for the Drive app, and we are currently alpha testing it, and in a couple of weeks are planning to put it on the market for beta testing for our users. Cargo application, which is the on-demand package delivery application, it's still in development stage, but we're currently planning to launch both in around December when our ICO ends. So go-to-market strategy in our business model. So we basically charge 25% from each transaction. Let's say a driver goes for $40. We take 10% as our fee, and we introduce a referral system which allows our community to earn payments from everyone they invite into the system. So we want to introduce that as well. So basically, if I invited somebody into the system and that person takes a ride or sends a package or drives as a driver or goes as a courier, so in 4 different ways, I get a referral fee from that transaction. So altogether, this is 25%, and the driver gets the remaining part. So this is, in short, the business model. We have a lot of competitors in both markets. So the traditional taxi companies, plus we have Taxify in Europe, we have Uber, we have Lyft in US, we have Grab in China, and many more smaller competitors. On traditional postal, on the package delivery, we have traditional postal services, Nimber, that is our competitor here in the UK and Norway. They're doing the same, almost the same thing that we are doing, just they haven't got to the point where they can connect the blockchain to the system. And traditional companies like UPS and FedEx. So our competitive advantages is the breadth of our solution, our partner network. We're partnering with a lot of companies that are helping us build the solution, and we're going to partner more and build more bigger ecosystem. We're going to put our solutions and integrate with blockchain. So this gives us an enormous advantage in front of all our competitors. Ease of use, verified drivers and couriers, and referral program. Let me just rush quickly, so I'm trying to make up on time. Our customer acquisition strategy, as I told, we have the referral program, we have the partnerships, plus our ability to list our tokens on different crypto exchanges around the world will give us an additional number of users around the world that will be purchasing DYCOIN tokens, and automatically they will be becoming our customers as well. Or customers that download our applications will be able to understand the opportunities of DYCOIN tokens, and they will be able to purchase those from crypto exchanges. So our partnerships, we partner with HereMaps to build our navigation solutions. We partner with, planning to partner with Trulia for identity verification. We have a partnership with IBM to build our apps on their infrastructure and cloud platforms. And as I said, we have 2 payment and payout processing partners, Hyperwallet and STRATE. We also already have an agreement with Bancor to list our tokens on their crypto exchange once our ICO ends. Bancor is a huge Swiss crypto exchange protocol where we are planning to list already our tokens at the end of our initial coin offering. And also LATOken, we are currently in our discussions with them to list our token there. Sales plan, well, these are just estimates, and when we launch, we are planning to go soundly and proofly from 800 transactions for on-demand package delivery and 4,000 for taxi rides, and just jump to 100 million and 15 million rides in 2022. This is a small number because Uber and other ride-sharing companies do 2 billion rides a year. So this is just a fraction, but this is a good estimate, I think. So let me tell you a few words about our payment unit, DYCOIN token. So tokenomics of our unit is, the symbol is DYC, so it's DYCOIN. we are offering the supply of 500 million to the market, which we will sell to our investors 200 million at the moment. This is what our plan is. The token price is 10 cents for our ICO, and now we have a discount since we are in the pre-sale. Our pre-sale started in May 16th and is going until August 31st. From September 1 until October 31st is going to be our main ICO event. And we're offering 10% discount. I didn't say a soft cap or hard cap here because we don't want to put numbers behind it because we are going to launch anyways. So we just need an engine, motivation and incentive to push our solutions quicker to the market, and with the help of investments we'll be able to do it quicker. So it's just a matter of time. If we can build and get the investments earlier, we'll launch earlier. If no, we're still gonna do it, just it takes much more time and effort to do it. And the payment options, so we are offering multiple payment options for our investors currently already on our webpage. We offer cryptocurrencies, so the major ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. And also we partner with CoinGate that allows us to make and receive payments of 50 plus cryptocurrencies on their platform. We allow our investors to buy with PayPal and bank transfers and credit cards, because not everybody in the world now is connected to cryptocurrencies. Not everybody has wallets, and we want to give everybody a chance to take part in our initiative. So DYCOIN token proposition, why are we building it? Why do we need a DYCOIN in our application? So first, it's a payment unit where the funds are transferred from users to drivers and couriers. Second, it's a decentralized system, which makes full sense because we're removing third parties, we're removing payment systems, and we want to make sure that the payments go directly from users to drivers and couriers. Third, it's an insurance mechanism, as I told you in the beginning, that we want to insure our packages from theft and damage. It's a high liquidity asset, meaning as after our ICO we plan to put our token on multiple crypto exchanges around the world. We already have one partner with one, which is Bancor, but we want to move forward and give our investors and people a chance to trade and most importantly, get the tokens from crypto exchanges. It's an incentive mechanism, which is absolutely great way for us to increase our KPIs, to motivate our drivers or couriers, motivate people to use our platform. This is the first time in history of ride-sharing and package delivery where we can motivate people through tokens to use our platform, to work on our platform, to be constantly in the application. So there's so many KPIs that we can work on and this is a perfect mechanism to do it. And the referral program unit. As I told you, we are building a referral program as well to give an extra incentive for our users to generate tokens through our platform. And the last slide is for reasons to invest. So we believe it's a great potential to invest now because it's a great investment unit, payment unit, and once we have launched our applications and the tokens are listed on exchanges, we are hoping that the value of the token will only rise, especially if we scale our businesses globally very quickly. So it's a discounted token value currently, and obviously we can discuss with potential big investors regarding the mix of equity and tokens. So we want to be flexible, and it all depends on discussions, investments, and we want to partner with the best companies to move forward. Short payback period and high ROI. This is obviously the expectation for our potential investors. So we aim to provide this to our investors with our applications. And the modern concept. So this hasn't been created yet. Obviously, it's not going to take a lot for Uber and other companies to realize the potential of blockchain, and we're just going to planning to be in the forefront of this and build our solutions on blockchain and be the first one there. So, and the funds allocation, thought I'll mention it for you guys, just for you to know where we're planning to spend the funds of our investments. So it's team development, it's IT and developing smart contracts, integrating blockchain. It all takes time, effort, and resources, and the best blockchain experts and technicians to do that. So we have to spend highly on that. Legal expenses, because, well, you know, the market of ride sharing, it's pretty intensive, and not all markets allow us to penetrate them very quickly, so we need some funds there as well. And then partnerships, joint ventures, and listing on crypto exchanges, so they do require some investment, some of them, and we plan on putting some funds there. International expansion and marketing, this is obvious, and administration and operating activities, day-to-day activities. Well, thank you. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions,
we got
let me
room
know.
for 2 questions, and you have to pick up the mic. There's one at each table so that you can go into the live stream. Questions?
Thank you very much for the. Hello?
It's fine. You do. Okay. There's no PA here. But it's live.
So thank you very much for the presentation. Can you describe in a bit more detail your go-to-market strategy and your customer acquisition costs, both for the end users and for the drivers? It's a quite crowded space. Yeah. Uber spends, I think, $3-4 billion for acquisitions. You're raising $20 million, out of which 30% will go for marketing, which is $6 million. How, what are the numbers for your acquisition costs?
Well, they're lower than the traditional companies like ride-sharing companies like Uber because of those 3 points that I mentioned at the beginning. So since we are connecting to blockchain, that gives us another mechanism of reaching our crowd. So because if people purchase our tokens on the market, they will automatically have the option possibility, because they buy the token and they will understand that there is more to it than having in their wallets, trading and everything. So it's a payment unit inside an application, a great application where you can use it. So if the market is bad, if the market is good, you still can use the tokens in our applications. So this is one of the, I guess, greatest advantages of blockchain for us to expand quickly. Second, as I said, the partnerships. So the more crypto partnerships we have, the better. We already signed partnerships with, as I said, Bancor. If we sign partnerships with crypto exchanges, we'll list our tokens there. Plus, we signed already partnerships with ICOs. So other ICO companies that are doing their projects in Asia, like Cargo Coin or STRATE. STRATE Coin, they're building exchanges, they're building platforms that we can utilize moving forward. So it's a huge potential to collaborate between the ICOs and make a market for ourselves. And third, it's the referral program. I'm not going to tell social media or just go to TV and everything. These things are out of date, and they're working for some companies, but we believe that we can reach our customers quicker if we use the blockchain partnerships and the referral system that we are using. So we're going to aim to power ourselves through with these 3 resources.
Thank you for that. But an end user will have to go buy the token to use the app?
Well, if, as I said at the beginning, thank you for the question, at the moment, we want to make a hybrid system where our users can pay with, because not everybody has crypto wallets now. Not everybody around the world knows what crypto wallet is. So we want to give those users a chance to pay with card or cash. But yes, that's our vision, that if the user wants to use the applications, they have to buy the currency, or they have to earn it or somehow through our programs like drivers or courier do. And this is going to be one mechanism that we will be using within our two applications. So gradually we want to close out the payment processing companies. We want to move away from cash and credit cards. So we're only going to be using our tokens within our infrastructure. So we're going to make our systems more steady, more quick, safe, and transparent.
Thank you. That counts as 2 questions.
Yeah.
We're running a little bit late here, but thank you very much.
Thank you.